Day 2. So today was day off and I went to work in the morning. So I'm not sitting here all day. I just finally sit down to this sofa. And yeah, so it feels really nice. I can see beautiful autumn leaves and the nice decoration at the town. And so I just had a lunch and I come back. And so now it's 2:30. I'm gonna crochet from here now 4 hours. 2:30, I mean 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, 6:30. Yes, so 4 hours crochet. And this is yesterday's. So far like this. So from now I'm gonna crochet 4 hours. I started from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rows done. So now it's 6:20. So pretty much it's done, the 4 hours crocheting. So I did 8 rows. It's pretty good, I think. Now like this. It's really tired. 4 hours crocheting. It usually, even now, like 6, and I gonna eat supper, and again I gonna do crochet until I sleep. But so this time I'm not gonna do. Rest of the day I gonna go little bit jogging. It's really little jogging. Yes, I know. She said I need it, so I gonna go little bit run, and maybe before sleep I can play some game, Zelda. That's really fun. So yeah, today's crochet is done, and tomorrow is my work day, so probably I'll do only 1 hour crocheting, something like that. Then yeah, so see you in the next time. Good morning. Actually, on my day off, I couldn't do at all, so it's still same. This point. So today's day off, I gonna do, now it's in the morning, 10 a.m. and I want to go shopping later. And so I gonna crochet from here 3 hours first, and maybe I'll do more in the evening. Yes, so today is a kind of all day crochet. I think maximum is 5 hours. And yeah, last time I done 8 rows, so I hope I can do 10 rows today. Okay, we'll see. I'll get crochet started. Punch, punch, say morning. Say morning to everyone. Punch. Cute little Punch. She's a Java sparrow, by the way. And she's a girl, obviously. You go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Day 4 was after my work, and I only done 1 row, which is this orange. So far it's kind of like this. Today is my free day off, so I'm gonna crochet all day again. I hope I can do another 10 rows, and yeah, it's gonna increase more. And I just realized 1 row, it takes 20 minutes for me for this. 20 minutes for just doing this straight, not straight, but zigzag. But I wish I can do like in 15 minutes, then in 1 hour I can do 4 rows, but it's not that easy. Well, yeah, well. Now in the morning, 11 to, I think I'll do 5 or 6 till I'm tired. And then after 5 I'm not gonna do anything again. So I don't know how can I make it faster, the crochet. I don't know, but I think that doesn't make sense, because crochet is not trying to do fast. I think it's just enjoying it. Otherwise, I don't know, it's too much doing and my hand can get in pain, so that's not really good. So yeah, just simply, I'm not rushing it, so I just simply filming this for everyone, because I see how long it takes to make this crochet bracket. It's kind of like this. I wish I can sleep. Anyway, day 5, let's get started. So it's been 1 hour and I've done 3 rows from this orange. So yellow, 1, 2, 3, and I did 3, and I have to go shopping now, and then go shopping and eat lunch, and probably it takes like 2 hours for all of it. Then no, so maybe 2 to 5, 3 hours I can do. So yeah, and do more crochet. Yeah, I wish I don't need to go shopping, but otherwise I don't have any food in here, and I'm very hungry, so I have to go shopping. I wish someone feed me. Okay. See you later. I went to shopping and I had a lunch. I had a gyoza and fried rice, kind of Chinese food, and that was really yum. I really love the Chinese food, but it was quite oily, so I gonna have a green tea. After oily food, it's always nice green tea. For crochet, it's always need something tea or coffee, some cozy drink, and keep crochet. Now it's 2, so I'm gonna do 3 hours. I think 7 rows, if I could. That's really nice. Well, I'm very determined, so I wish I can do more than 7 rows, but we'll see. It's kind of difficult for do the colorful, using multiple colors, and the balance is quite difficult. So I have this pink and this yellow is a lot of left, but the other colors is not much left, so I have to really think about it. I used this yellow. I did 4 rows, so it's kind of thick, and then pink as well in here. I'm using often this pink. Like where should I put the orange, greens, or some other colors? And yeah, still a little bit have to think about it. So it's quite difficult. I hope I can make a really nice, stunning blanket. Hi, so now it's exactly 5 p.m. I've done 3 hours, and so today's result. I did it exactly 10 rows. So yeah, I reached to goal today. I think if I do next day off again 3 and 10 rows more, and I think it's gonna be finished. So day 5 was success, and I think maybe day 6 will be finished. So we'll see. Alright, for today it's done. I'm gonna go a little bit for jogging because I have to move my body. I'm not moving at all. So yeah, I'm gonna move and just have supper and take shower and sleep, and tomorrow's walk. Okay, see you in the day 6. Day 6. Excuse me for voiceover because on this day I wasn't really feel good. Just kind of period things. So I couldn't do anything on this day at all except crochet. I only could do just sit down and crochet. So actually I did crochet all day. I did 10 hours, I think. So I just keep crocheting, and sometimes having tea time make myself feel better. So I could do lots of crochet, and actually I finished on this day. So let's see the result. 3, 2, 1. Wow! Yeah! Ta-da! Look! It's finished! I really love this blanket. Look at this stunning wavy crochet blanket. It's really nice size. I say it's 9 out of 10. If I made it a bit more wider for this, I think one more zigzag. If I made it, it's really nice size. But still, I really love it. I can wrap up myself like this. It's so cozy for winter, and actually it's really warm and I love the color. I was worried about it, but it's so cute. So it took in total 27 hours and 30 minutes. As a mature crochet, I did it in 6 days. So it's not bad, and I really took my time, and it's nice balance. As you know, work balance was really perfect. So sorry, day 6 was I was really like it feels not good yesterday, so I was just sitting on the sofa and I was really keep crocheting. But so today I used to anyways, really thank you for watching till end. So yeah, I hope you can make something nice blanket as well. So it's really nice for winter. I can have nice cozy winter time. I want to make more cardigans and more blanket. So it was really fun, and I really love this zigzag pattern. It's really, look, it's very stunning. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Okay, see you in the next project. Bye. Thank you. Bye.